An adjective can exist in three forms: positive, comparative, and superlative. The positive form is the base form of the adjective. The comparative form expresses a higher degree of some quality. The superlative form expresses the highest degree. In this lesson, you will learn what the positive form is and how to use the positive form to make your language more interesting. And we're going to take a look at some examples, and then you can test your knowledge with a small quiz. So let's begin. With using adjective in the positive form, we can describe people, places, things, or action that happen in everyday life. We describe people by saying things like Eva is smart or brain is tall. For example, in the sentence, John is smart, the positive adjective form of smart is used to describe a particular person named John or named Eva. We describe places by saying things like Los Angeles is a huge city, or Chicago is a cold and windy city. In the sentence, Los Angeles is a huge city, the positive adjective form of a huge is used to describe a particular city, the city of Los Angeles. Also, we can describe things by saying the Amazon rainforest is lush and green, or I like ice cream because it is so rich and creamy. In the sentence, the positive adjective form of lush and green are used to describe particular rainforest, which is the Amazon rainforest. Finally, we describe an action by saying things like Sally runs fast or Nancy speaks slowly. We use the positive form every day. In this sentence, the positive adjective form of fast are used to describe how Sally runs. Also, we can use the positive form of the adjective to compare two things by using as and then adjective and then as. For example, Jane is as tall as Ahmed. And the second example is not as, and then we use adjective and then as, or we can use not so, and then we use adjective and then as. For example, John is not as tall as Ali. And now here is a small practice that you can test your knowledge. Thank you for your attention, and goodbye and good luck.